Now, dear friends, let's see the next topic about direct indirect speech. The topic is let sentence. Let means requested, and another let's sentences. Let's means let us. That means proposed to or suggested to. So you can see that here the structure is speaker then. When the sentence starts by let at that time as a reporting verb, we can use here requested. After that listener as a conjunction to let. After that him or her is depend on the gender, male or female. Suppose male is there, then you can use to let him, or suppose the female is there, then you can use to let her, because here you can see that the speaker and listener both are singular is used here. So to let him, to let her, then main verb. But here speaker, after that about the let sentence, speaker then proposed to or suggested to we can use as a reporting verb, and the listener as a conjunction that. After that they should and main verb. The difference between let and let's that in let speaker and listener is singular, but in let's we can see that speaker singular but listener may be more than one. Okay, so here use let's. So requested to let him or her, then main verb, and suppose let's proposed to, suggested to, that they should, or main verb. For example, here Ketan said to his mother. Ketan is singular, mother is singular, and it is very easy to recognize in exam because the sentence is started with let. Okay, so here how can we make the sentence? Ketan said to his mother. Let is given here. So Ketan requested his mother. Okay, so we write here requested. Now let is used, so as a conjunction we can use to. After that let, and me means Ketan. Ketan is male, so we can use him. So to let him, play and over. Here also we cannot change the tense. Okay, now see about the left sentence. Here Ketan said to friends. So dear friend, Ketan is singular and friends is plural. So, and another thing is let's is used here. Let's always use as a plural. So first of all Ketan, now we can see that let's play an hour, it's a entertainment, so we can use propose to because we enjoy there. So Ketan proposed to friends. Okay, now that's clear. Now let's, so we can use here that as a conjunction, then they should, that they should play and over. Okay, now once again see the next sentence. The principal said to Mr. Joshi, let me go early. So the principal requested Mr. Joshi to let me means principal, him, to let him go early. Now see that the principal said to the teachers plural, so the principal, now see that let's go early, that means propose, the principal proposed to the teachers that they should go early. So here we can use that they should. Why? Because listeners are plural. Next, the mother said to her son, don't let him disturb. Here negative is used. So first of all, the mother requested her son don't, so not to let him disturb. Okay, when the negative sentence, we already discussed in imperative sentence that we use not to, so not to let him disturb. The mother said to her children are plural, don't let them disturb, means suggested. So the mother suggested to her children that they should not disturb them. Yeah, you can write that the mother suggested to her children not to let them disturb. Okay, you can make like this also. Okay, so I think that all of you understood. Mind well, please keep in mind that when we use let at that time as a reporting verb, we can use requested after there is a conjunction too late, and the same thing let's at that time reporting verb we use proposed to or suggested to, and after that there is a conjunction that they should. Okay, now you can write this example in your notebook. Let's do some exercise here. The first sentence, Bhumi said to her mother, let me help you. Mr. Mehta said to the watchman, let me park my scooter here. Bimal said to Bharti, let me do my work. Rahul said to me, let me live here. Hiren said to Vishwa, let Monica stay here. My friends said to me, let's go to see Bombay. The gardener said to the old man, let these children play. Asa said to the teacher, let's watch movie. The manager said to the clerk, let's start computer. My sister said to her brother, let's write homework. So, my dear friends, 5 sentences is about let and 5 sentences about let's. Now, I request to all of you, if you remember the structure of imperative sentence, then this topic is also easy for you, because in imperative sentence we do not change the tense. The same thing, let and let's sentence, we do not change the tense. Another thing, we can easily recognize the sentence because let is given here and let's is given there. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that when the let come, we use requested as the reporting verb, and when let's come, at the time as the reporting verb, we use proposed to or suggested to, that they should. Okay, let's see the example. Here, Bhumi said to her mother, let me help you. So, Bhumi requested her mother. Okay, clear? Now, let me. So, we can write to, let, and me is used for Bhumi. So, we can write here to let her help you. So, you means mother. So, see her. So, we can write here her. So, the answer is Bhumi requested her mother to let her help her, because both are female. Next, Mr. Mehta said to the watchman, let me park my scooter here. So, we know that here let's come. So, Mr. Mehta requested the watchman. Okay, Mr. Mehta requested the watchman. Which conjunction we can use here? To. After that, let. And then what about me? Who is speaker? Mr. Mehta. So, to let him park my scooter. I, me, my. So, Mr. Mehta, he, him, his scooter here. So, we can write here that. So, what is the answer? Mr. Mehta requested the watchman to let him park his scooter there. Okay. Next, Bimal said to Bharti, let me do my work. Me means Bimal. Bimal means female. She, her, her. I, me. She, her. I, me, my. She, her, her. Okay. So, Bimal requested Bharti to let her do her work. Do her work. Okay. Now, Rahul said to me, let me live here. So, the answer is Rahul requested me. Rahul said to me. Rahul requested me. As a conjunction, to let me means Rahul, him. To let him live here. So we can write here there. So Rahul said to me, let me live here. So Rahul requested me to let him live there. Okay. Next, Hiren said to Vishwa, let Monica stay here. Here third person singular is already given, so we cannot change that. Suppose Monica is given here, so we can write the same thing. Okay. So Hiren requested Vishwa that to let Monica stay here. So stay there. Hiren requested Vishwa to let Monica stay there. Understood? Sure? Then let's make next exercise. My friends said to me, here, let's go to see Bombay. So my dear friend, my friends, it's a plural. So my friends, let's go to see Bombay. That means propose to. My friends propose to me that they should go to see Bombay. Go to see Bombay. Okay. Here let's is used, that is why we use that they should. Next, the gardener said to the old man, let these children play. These children is already given here, so we cannot change. We have to write the same thing. But let these children play. It's for entertainment. It's for joy. So we can write propose to. The gardener proposed to the old man that these children should play. Okay. This children subject is given here, that is why we don't use that they. So we directly write these children should play. Next, Asa said to the teacher, let's watch movie. So Asa proposed to the teacher that they should watch movie. Okay. Next, the manager said to the clerk, let's start computer. So the manager suggested to the clerks that they should start a computer. Clear? Next, my sister said to her brothers, let's write homework. So, my sister suggested to her brothers that they should write homework. Okay, dear friends, so we have completed here let and let sentence. I hope all of you understood very well. So you can write down in your notebook. Please keep your notebook and properly write it down. Okay, I will check it.